Dear Chartered Accountants, working professionals and students in the domains of Indian auditing, accounting and the tax and regulatory space, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing Chartered Accountant. Daily news and updates for 12th July 2023. The 50th GST Council meeting was held on 11th July 2023 in New Delhi. The meeting was chaired by Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. The following are the key takeaways from the meeting. The Council approved the constitution of a GST Appellate Tribunal and its benches. The tribunal will have benches in Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata and Ahmedabad. The Council also approved the Group of Minsters report on taxation of online gaming, casinos and horse trading. The report recommends that these activities be taxed at 28%. The Council deferred a decision on rationalization of the inverted duty structure in the textile sector. The Group of Ministers rationalization will submit its report by September 2023. The Council also discussed the following issues: the issue of fake registration and fraudulent generation of input tax credit, the issue of delayed GST return filing, and the issue of refund to exporters. 28% GST will curtail the skill gaming sector's potential and create entry barriers for startups, impacting the vision of making India an online gaming hub. GST Council has exempted cancer-related drugs, medicines for rare diseases, and food products for special medical purposes from GST. The Council's decisions are expected to come into effect from 1st August 2023. Supreme Court has allowed the market regulator SEBI to continue probe in the Adani-Hindenburg case till August 14th. The Income Tax Department of India has recently announced a new target for its assessing officers to conduct surveys and online verification of tax deducted at source in 50 cases each. This initiative aims to strengthen tax collection efforts and improve compliance among taxpayers. The department has outlined 16 parameters to identify cases for scrutiny, including factors such as negative growth in TDS payments, sick units with negative operating margins, and suspicious payment trends. The provisional figures of direct tax collections up to 9th July 2023 continue to register steady growth. Direct tax collections up to 9th July 2023 shows that the gross collections are at Rs 5.17 lakh crore, which is 14.65% higher than the gross collections for the corresponding period of last year. The SEBI has recently put in place a regulatory framework for private equity funds sponsoring a mutual fund house as well as for self-sponsored AMCs. As per the said framework, the applicant PE or its manager is required to have a minimum of 5 years experience in the capacity of a fund or investment manager and experience of investing in the financial sector. Further, it should have managed, committed and drawn down capital of at least Rs 5,000 crore as on the date of its application made to the SEBI. The SEBI has recently carved out certain core roles and responsibilities for trustees and board of directors of asset management companies of mutual funds. This is pursuant to an amendment made to the SEBI mutual fund regulations, where the board decides to specify some core responsibilities for mutual fund trustees. Trustees are entities that hold the property of the mutual fund in trust for the benefit of the unit holders. Their primary role is to ensure that the AMCs appointed by them act in the best interest of the unit holders. Although mutual fund regulations already provide for the responsibilities of a trustee, the SEBI has now provided some key areas that need focus. The central government appointed Sri K. Rajaraman as a chairperson of the International Financial Services Centres Authority for a period of 3 years from the date of assumption of charge of the post or till the date of attaining the age of 65 years, whichever is earlier. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.